of subject to collision. Earlier assessments proved there was absolutely no collision at all whatsoever.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Vidor. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beaumont, Orange, Toledo, Grove City, Rose City, and Pine Forest. Public gauge report of 3.7 inches turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.